Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. So this is super simple. You're going to start with a cup of milk. I am using almond milk. You can use whatever you have. Milk substitutes work just fine. Then you need 1 cup of mayonnaise and 3 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. If you're using the packets, it's just 1 packet. But if you have the big container, then it's 3 tablespoons. And then you want to whisk that up. Now, this is going to make it kind of thin, and I love a thin ranch dressing. However, if you don't like a thin ranch dressing, fear not. It will thicken up some in the fridge, and you could add a little less milk, and that will thicken it up just a little bit. But there it is. If you want to see more videos like these, check out Loaves and Dishes and subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every single day. Thanks for watching.